Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and open Monzo account in UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. On without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access particular browser on your phone and simply go to this tab and simply type in monzo.com. Once you have done so, you will be able to lead to their official website right over here. And here in this section you will be able to see this open a Monzo account for banking made easy, and tap on this menu again on top and scroll down to the bottom and tap on this option of sign up. Once you have done so, it will ask you for you to install your app. For that matter, you gotta go to your Play Store and simply type in Monzo right over here, and then you will be able to find this kind of option over here. All you have to do is simply install it, and we have already done so. Now all we gotta do is tap on this open and tap on this I'm new to Monzo and simply enter the email address that you create your account with. Once you have entered that email address, you will be able to tap on next, and you can set up your account accordingly right over there. But if you purposely would like to open a bank account like a current or saving or any kind of personal business account, all you have to do is revisit your browser, simply choose a category over here and simply choose to apply for joint account, and simply follow the prompts accordingly. It will simply lead you to again your app if you have installed, and follow the prompts accordingly and you're good to go. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.